Chapter 4. The Neighbors. Once upon a time, there were two neighbors, Ramchand and Premchand. Ramchand was a poor farmer. Premchand was a rich landlord. Ramchand had a small plot of land. He used to cultivate vegetables and sell it in the market. Whatever little money he earned, he used to live contented with it. He used to be very relaxed and happy. He never bothered to close the doors and windows of his house at night. He had deep, sound sleep. Although he had no money, he was peaceful. On the other hand, Premchand had a palatial house in front of Ramchand's huts. Ramchand's hut, he had a large tract of land where farming was done by laborers. He had many other businesses also. He had plenty of money, but he lacked peace of mind. He used to be very tense always. He used to keep the doors and windows of his house closed all the time. He was always worried that someone might break open his safes and steal away his money. He could not even sleep well at night. Premchand envied peaceful Ramchand. He wondered, how come Ramchand does not earn much, yet he is so happy and peaceful, whereas I have all the comforts of life, yet I am always worried. I shall certainly find out what is the secret behind it. One day, he went to Ramchand's house and asked him the reason behind his happiness. Ramchand was a simple man. He said, Premchand, I am a poor man, but I am happy that God gives me as much as I need. He has given me a hut to live. He also gives me enough food to eat. What else I need in life? Premchand was not convinced by his reply. He thought that there must be some truly hidden secret behind Ramchand's happiness, which he does not wish to share with him. So he said, well, Ramchand, I totally agree with you that God has given you as much as you need. But still, there are many other things one needs in order to live a comfortable life. Ramchand was surprised to hear these words. He said, what do you mean by a comfortable life? Do you think I am not comfortable? My dear friend, I am always happy and comfortable because I know God is with me. As long as I am in His care, no worries or troubles can ever come near me. For me, His presence is the greatest wealth one can ever have. Premchand was still not convinced by Ramchand's reply. That day, he walked back to his house, but still he was adamant to find out the secret of Ramchand's peaceful life. Days passed by, and Premchand kept on thinking about Ramchand. He became more envious of him. One day, Premchand called Ramchand and gave him a box full of cash saying, look, my dear, I am blessed with plenty of wealth. I find you in poverty. So take this money and live in prosperity. Ramchand was surprised to see such a drastic change in his neighbor. Yet he was overwhelmingly happy. He took the box of cash from Premchand and walked back to his hut. He kept the box safely in his hut and was happy throughout the day. That night, Ramchand went to bed as usual, but that day he could not sleep. He went and closed the doors and windows, but still he could not sleep. He kept on looking at the box of cash. The whole night he was disturbed. As soon as the day broke, Ramchand picked up the box of cash and went to Premchand's house. Premchand had never expected Ramchand to bring the box of cash back to his house. He said, Ramchand, why have you come back with this box? Is the amount of money in this box less? Do you want more? Ramchand gave the box back to Premchand and said, dear friend, I am poor, but your money has taken away peace from me. Last night, I could not sleep because of this box. For God's sake, please take back this box. I am unable to stay away from my peace. Chapter 5. The Man